Alright guys, so today's video we'll be talking about the Oraimo MiFi, and this is Oraimo Hotspot Elf. It comes with the model number OM100, and it says it can support up to 10 devices connected at the same time. So there are a lot of things about this. It comes with smart app, easy management, support 4G data, long battery life, lead notification, and shareable Wi-Fi. All this I'm going to test in my review video. So today's video is just an unboxing, and at the back here you are going to see some certifications and some details about your new MiFi. Without wasting much of your time, let's unbox this guy. Before we start the unboxing proper, I would like to tell you the price first. The price of this MiFi goes for 21,000 naira on Oraimo eShop website, which you can see here. So if you want to get it cheaper, you can use the discount code right on the screen. It's going to give you 5% discount instantly, and it will bring it down to 20,000 thereabout for you. So use the discount code and let's continue with the video. Now let's unbox it. It comes with seal up and under. All right, so the first thing we have here is the manual, which you can see here, the user manual. Okay, it's a little bit lengthy one. You can go through that, and there is a QR code you need to scan here to use if you are using an Android phone. So you have to scan the QR code of TransLink app and download it on Google Play Store. Let's move over to what's inside the box. You're getting a MiFi. This looks beautiful straight out of the box. It comes with the WPS button, a micro USB port, and that's pretty much it. Oraimo at the back. We'll come back to that. The next item you are going to see in the box is a removable battery, and this is 2920 milliampere battery, and it comes with the typical capacity of 3000 milliampere. So you can install that. So I'm going to show you how to set it up also. And I think another thing here that we are going to see is a cable. Let's see, that should be a micro USB cable. Okay, a short micro USB cable here. So that is pretty much all you're going to find in the box, and that's all. I didn't show you this, guys. So this is the password and Wi-Fi key and the admin password. This is what you need to connect your Oraimo Wi-Fi or MiFi to your phone, and afterwards you can download TransLink app and change the password to any password that you want. So guys, the next thing to do here is to set up your MiFi. So how do you do that? First thing I would suggest to do is to charge up this battery. Okay, so you have to open this buckle point here. You just have to put your finger, you can slide your finger or slide something in there like a card and try and open it up. Okay, so that is it, and we have this same information on this paper here right inside it. So in case you misplace this, you can see something here, and inside the MiFi we have a space for the SD card and a space for a SIM card. It also has a reset button here that you can press in case you're having issue with it. You can reset it. I think that is pretty much everything around it. This is the power button, and it's going to show some LED here. So before you start using it, you have to charge your MiFi. So how do you charge it up? Slide it in like this, make sure it's in the place, and you can clip it back. But if you know you don't want to clip it back, you can still keep it open like this and charge it up. Then you take your 5 volts 2 ampere or 5 volts 1 ampere micro USB cable and plug it in. Okay, charge it up for 1 hour or 2 hours depending on the kind of cable you are using. If you are using a 5 volts 1 ampere, go for 2 hours. If you are using a 5 volts 2 ampere, go for 1 hour. You have to make sure it is fully charged before you start using it. If not, you are going to have battery issue down the line. Because I know someone told me about this thing not lasting. I know it's going to last. It's because he didn't charge it up and it started developing issues. So make sure you charge it up first before the first time use. Once you plug in, your cable is going to come on. So you press hold this power button like this, and it's going to shut this LED down. Okay, as you can see, it's off. I'm waiting for this power lead to go off too. Now it is off. Now you can keep it and let it charge fully. Just use your timer to time it and charge it for 1 hour. Once it is fully charged at 1 hour, you can unplug it and start using it. Make sure you put your SIM card the right way, and if you want to add your SD card, you can do that likewise, but it's not a must. You can put your SIM card and start using, and also use a SIM card that you know the network is much available at your place. My first impression about this guy is that it is okay. The bit quality is good. For me, it's not bad. It's not that heavy. It's just like every normal Wi-Fi out there. So I like the quality and the style. It's okay. And coming in black, I think it's going to last for a long period of time. And that is pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the setup. Peace.